Hey guys, John with Grey Duck Dent Repair in Minnesota here. Today we're working on a Chrysler 300 nasty sharp door ding in the driver's side rear door, right through the body line. It's got some paint transfer on it, but I do think we're going to be able to get it out. So stick around, we'll pan around, I'll show you the damage here, and we'll show you the results when we're done. Thanks for watching.
Next level.
Here are the tools we used on that. Torch. You gotta heat that metal up when it's cold like this. We started out with this soft tip tool. Ratchet handle from A1. Similar to the Ford tool. And we went in with the Ratchet Reaper. Clean it up. Of course, actually started with knocking down the crowns with a wider tip knockdown. As we progressed, I had to get further away from that dent and use my dent man tools hammer with the match grade tips. Love this combination of this hammer. And of course, version 3 of Limit Dent Light. Gotta love that as well. So that's how we got that door ding out on the Chrysler 300. Thanks for watching.